just ignoring it now, look. Look right above you. Dog. Arr, fierce dog.
And then, for no reason I could fathom...
No, don't do that. Oh, Bolly. Oi!
The honeymoon was clearly over.
No, this way. Come on. Oi, you're going the wrong way again now.
It's like they could sense I was a new boy.
Oh, no. No, they're going back. They're just... Oh, for
And they were going to make the most of it.
I had a speed stop. Right.
Good?
Here we are, middle of the night. Sorting the sheep out. Again.